Hey guys, Jason here for TheChartGuys, taking a look at silver. Bears are on attack today. Bulls have bought the dip primarily and hopefully setting in a higher low on the daily time frame, trying to lock in an overall daily uptrend. Our last low on the daily was this short push down to 1748. If Bulls can confirm this is our higher low, they're going to be looking good for an overall daily uptrend. Now, what is that going to look like? How are we going to know we're there? Well, we're going to go to the 4-hour time frame. Before we do, let's take a look at some possibilities. If we see another attack tomorrow and we lose our low day to day, 1748 is our support level. Below that, 1716 and 1689. Unlikely we're going to move that far in one day, but we have seen that happen before. So important to keep those in the back of our minds. If Bulls put on the steam and manage to break to the upside, we have some daily resistance levels at 1833. Beyond that, 1874. Not a lot of resistance at this level. So that's going to be interesting. If Bulls can show some commitment, they have the possibility of moving pretty quickly. So let's check out the 4-hour time frame, see how we're doing there. 4-hour bears are currently in charge. We're in a 4-hour downtrend, and we need to get some new higher lows and higher highs if we're going to change that. Unfortunately, we are still looking at a lower high, lower low pattern. Bulls are going to need to get over 1789, and right now it looks like we're just pulling back from that level. So we have to ask ourselves, what comes first? Do we lose 1761 or do we get above 1789? So we'll check that out on the 15 and hourly time frames to see what sort of action we're looking at there. But so far it is just lower highs, lower lows, and we are going to need to see that change on the hourly time frame before anything else does. So here we are on the hourly, and this is how we get into the beginnings of a trend change. Here's our lower high, lower low pattern. Finally, we get over top of 1787, so we've set a higher high on the hourly. Now, Bulls really need to lock that in and set a higher low above 1761. They could do a couple things. We could just grind sideways and stay up here and establish a new base of support before moving on. But it's more likely we're going to see a loss of EMA 26, come down and establish a new higher low. Let's say somewhere over the 1760 area. That's only because we like to see that slow, methodical, meandering type situation develop. However, as we have just mentioned, you can just go sideways, establish a key base of support, and grind out that consolidation that way. So, hourly bulls currently looking optimistic, needing to set a high over 1761, a higher low over 1761, or just continue this uptrend with a break of 1789. However, let's keep in mind that 4-hour bears are currently in charge, and these daily bulls are just defending that low and need a lot of follow through in order to lock it in. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. And I just want you guys to know I appreciate you sticking it out. If you're still watching this video, you are the person that I'm making this for. And thanks. That's all I can say.